The all-new 2023 Toyota Sequoia lives up to its powerful and legendary namesake, thanks to a head-turning new look, luxurious comfort, impressive technology and the perfect blend of performance and efficiency. Coupled with Toyota's long-lasting quality, durability and reliability, the three-row SUV is sure to stand tall in the large-size SUV segment when it hits dealerships at the end of the summer with a MSRP starting at $58,300. Sequoia offers space for families who need it, whether that be to haul passengers, gear or both. It will be available in 5 unique grades that include SR5, Limited, Platinum, TRD Pro and the new Capstone grade. Stepping up to the Platinum grade puts an emphasis on added comfort and premium features, thanks to heated and ventilated front and second row captain's chairs, standard 14-speaker JBL premium audio system, standard panoramic moonroof, standard head-up display and more. High-grade LED headlights and taillights are added, along with sequential turn signals. Rain-sensing wipers are added to Platinum, as is standard Qi wireless charging. TRD Pro is a great option for adventure-minded families that plan to get off the beaten path regularly. TRD Pro is not just an off-roader though, as it is loaded with premium features such as standard second-row captain's chairs, TRD heated steering wheel, and TRD accents on the seats and shift knob. TRD Pro comes with additional cargo hauling options thanks to the TRD roof rack. TRD-tuned Fox internal bypass shocks offer a smooth on-road ride, but most importantly they can confidently handle off-road terrain when the trail gets rough. A 1/4-inch aluminum TRD front skid plate offers added trail protection. Sequoia TRD Pro also offers additional trail capability with a standard selectable locking rear differential, multi-terrain select, crawl control and downhill assist control. TRD Pro proudly sports a heritage-inspired Toyota grille with an embedded TRD light bar and marker lights toward the top of the grille. It's equipped with Pro-specific black 18-inch TRD alloy wheels with an increased offset to provide a wider stance. A dual TRD Pro exhaust tip provides added growl and visual appeal.